Hello everybody, welcome back to Mammoth Interactive's monthly video on the free Unreal assets for this month on the Unreal Asset Store. Today we are going to be looking at 5 different types of free content today, namely characters, props, blueprints, animations, and environment. So today we are going to start with the Undead Pack by Little Poppin' DUI. So what we got here is a 5-character bundle of already made character assets. What we got here is a lich, a ghoul, a skeleton, a zombie, and an enemy goblin. Now, the character packs here are already rigged. They are rigged to the epic skeleton. They are animated. You got a choice of 65 different animations that you can choose. There's also a lot of extra materials, textures included in these character packages that you can edit. And each character will also have additional armor options such as quiver, helmet, clothes, and hair. They will also have IK bones included to the epic skeletons. And you can basically use all these characters for your own Halloween-based horror game. And as you can see here, there are different images for how you want to use each different character, from the ghoul to the goblin to the skeleton. Quite a bit of variety here that you can use for your test Halloween game. Up next, we got a Halloween pumpkins with 150 plus variations. This is a prop asset made by PackDev. The description says as follows: this is an environment package made in realistic PBR pipeline, well suited for both AAA quality projects and projects with a focus for optimization and performance. Over here in some more technical details, you will have over 146 different meshes to use for props and environment. The textures will range from 1K to 4K, and there will be about 65 different textures that you can use, all of which are custom made. There are over 32 different materials with 3 base materials and then 29 material instances. There's also a demo scene included with a setup lighting, and there will be an example layout for the environment, and you can get even direct support from the developer themselves. It does include collision, but it doesn't have any level of detail included. As you can see here, the main example is basically showing you how to use the pumpkins in both at night and during the day as regular pumpkins, and you can see also the modular style and basically all the little options that you can get to customize your environment here. Next up is the Advanced AI Spawn System. This is a blueprint asset made by Game Ready Blueprints. As you can see here in the video, it's a little bit more on the technical side, but it can quickly help you to spawn a lot of characters, whether they're human characters or objects. You can get different levels of spawns. You can also get spaceships even, and you can see the full example in their example and preview video. For some more features, there are 2 types of spawn areas. You can configure your area dimensions, you can select your spawn location, you can even choose your spawn and the amount of each area individually, and you can add area names and see information about the number of your AIs. This AI system also has a very simple 3-step guideline that you can follow to quickly get your characters or vehicles or whatever else you want to spawn in quickly to be set up in your world and level. And now on to the next one, the Zombie Movement and Modular Interactions Animation. This is an animation asset made by Byte Some Pie Ltd. Just like it says on the title, this is an animation bundle for making zombie animations and modular interactions. Over here we can look at the video. You will have a variety of different animations that you can use. You will have crawl, hopping on the left leg, hopping on the right leg. You will even have an idle position that you can use. There will be different varieties of movement and speed. You will even be able to do different attack motions such as the left arm swing, right arm swing, 2-hand swing. There are also interactive modular animation zombie attacks with human responses, such as a takedown to get munched, idle to grab, going from grab to wrestle, from grab to takedown, grab to punch defense, grab to munching. The base movements in this pack are included in the Stoop Zombies pack, which they have added a link to. The description says that this package is only the animations, as the game logic to work with the interactions is not included here. And you can basically see the rest of it by looking at the video. 34 beautifully crafted animations including zombie movements and interactions. Our 5th and last one for this video is a environment asset called the 4-in-1 Modular Research Facility / Mega Bundle. This is made by Trisk Games and is a package that has a high quality modular 797 plus meshes. So this is a bundle containing 4 different levels, all of which seems to be pretty extensive, some even having both internal and external environments. We can see here different packs. Now this is a combination of 4 individual packs that had already been sold separately, and this is basically your chance to get them all in one go. Fitting with the month of Halloween, they are all horror based. You got the entrance to the research facility, you got your spooky hallways with blood splatter on the floors and the walls, you got your actual creepy medical facilities with even more blood splatter. You even have some external shots of research centers completely in Silent Hill style fog, and you can basically do whatever you want with these. Technical details say the This is a modular environment and all meshes are modular. There are modular exterior buildings and office props. It has advanced master materials and paintable, advanced decal materials, BP door and light, 100% optimization, high quality road texture decals and materials. According to the details here, the buildings are even enterable, which means you can go to inside the buildings themselves. I don't know if they'll be full. I'm guessing you have to like fill them up yourself. It includes custom collision. All the models are ready to be integrated into your projects as quickly and easily as possible. With 797 message, the options for what you can do and how you want to customize your horror environment are just off the roofs. You can just probably do whatever you want and however you want to do them. Okay, and this has been our Unreal video on our free asset store bundles for this month. I hope you like what you see and maybe want to go to the asset store yourself and check it out. If you want to make your horror-based video game, these are probably the essential assets that you might need. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Every like, comment, and subscribe that you give gives us more visibility to other people out there so that they can also know about all these cool free of the month content that they can get for Unreal Engine so that they can pay as little as possible when developing their own first game. Hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.